welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Humaira, and today's video we're gonna do like a day with me vlog at uni. So more of like what I do in uni and so on, and yeah.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping
So this is my look for today. I wore like a little stud and this black top. Alrighty, let's do a little OOTD. Okay, peace. Okay, story time. Very recently I discovered this really cute recipe that I came up with. Okay, that's not discovery because I did not see it somewhere. I made it, so we're gonna make that.
It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
I'm not a morning person, so simple recipes will definitely be a thing. Actually, it tastes good. As you already know, I woke up at 8 a.m, did my things, cleaned up and stuff. We're about to head out though. Yeah. I am so late. That is one thing.
It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby. I hear the beat.
Having prom and now I'm touching a snake. I'm gonna touch a snake for the very first time in my life. I'm scared. Okay, I touched a snake.
No, you didn't. You did not.
They don't believe me. Oh, it's a nice guy.
Cool thing. Kawaii, kawaii. Because nobody is following the theme. Yeah. Kawaii.
My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet.